Hello and welcome to the YouTube playlist for the BCBL 2024 Pupillometry Workshop. I am creating this little introductory video to upload at the top of this playlist, and I'm doing this after the workshop because I wanted to give some information about where to find the materials and the schedule from the original workshop. So if you are doing this workshop, in the months to come or years to come from now, I want to point out to you where you can find the materials so that you can participate as if you were there yourself. So first of all, there is a Google Drive folder with everything. You can use this QR code. I will also put the link in the YouTube caption for this introductory video and for the entire playlist as well. If you go to that Google Drive, you're going to find everything. It's organized into folders, and you will also find a schedule. Now, the schedule, as far as what time of day we did certain talks and things, isn't super relevant for you, but it will give you the titles of talks and give you the sort of general order that things happened. This YouTube playlist is also going to post the videos in a set order, and it's the order that they actually happened for the workshop. And so you'll notice that, for example, sometimes it'll jump from something called practical example 1 to lecture 2 and back and forth. And so you can look at the schedule in the Google Drive to get an idea of how these different types of talks and tutorials were organized together. Now that we are post-workshop, I also want to point out that I'm going to be keeping that Google Drive the same forever so that people can join and partake in this workshop in the future, but I'm always finding ways to improve my scripts. So if you want the most up-to-date version of the pupillometry scripts that I regularly use, you should check my GitHub because in the years to come, I will be updating based on current methodological best practices and so on and so forth. So these are the links where you can find everything that you can need. I hope you enjoy the workshop, and thank you for finding your way to this playlist.